What a cool hair clip!
Give me that! Now it's mine!
Hey, that's not fair! Huh? Bet I can make one myself! Wow. First, I'll trace the shape like this. Awesome! Now let's secure it like this. And add some patterns. All done! So pretty! Time to try it on! Now for the second one! Fits perfect! And looks super cute! Look at these sparkles!
What's going on here? Oh no! Give it here, sweetie! Oh, you can't play with this. It's expensive jewelry.
Looks like he forgot something. Pretty. But something's missing. I know! I'll make a pendant with my 3D pen. A paw print would look awesome with a chain. Let's fill it in more. Now I'll draw the pads on the paw. And a ring to hold it on the chain. My jewelry's ready! Time to try it on.
Sweetie, sorry to upset you. Everything okay? Wow, a new piece of jewelry? Cool!
Pretty, right?
Wait, I've got something too. Look.
Cool!
Just don't tell Mom. I made it myself.
Oh, wow! Crocs! Thanks so much, Daddy!
Anything for you, my joy.
They're comfy. Wow. But look a bit plain. What to do?
Oh gosh!
Cool, right? What's wrong? Don't you like it?
Feet are not for food, sweetie. Oh, I think I know how to fix this. First, we draw this yellow triangle. And make it 3D. Add some white, then yellow again, then white again. Now let's add a little strawberry. Add some patterns, make a small attachment below, and the cake is ready! Let's make a dinosaur, and a smiley face too! Attach everything to the crock, like this. And all done! Oh, look!
Wow! Gotta try these on!
Looks super!
You're right! Thanks, Dad! Hey, where's my other hair clip? Where is it? Oh, my beads. And there's the ring. Oh, where are you? Oh, a bracelet. But no hair clip. Dad!
What's up?
I lost my hair clip.
This one? Here you go.
Thanks, Dad.